Hello once again and welcome to Befe Show. Thank you so much for joining me, Kina Befe, once again on another exciting episode. And if you are just seeing me for the very first time, you're highly welcome. To be a huge part of the Befe's family, just hit the subscribe button and the bell beside the button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my already existing subscribers, thank you so much. You guys have been amazing. I love you. Yes, today we are going to be doing something different. Not really different, just that you'll be following me on a journey. Yes, I'll be going to the market. And if I was actually doing this live, I would have said you should guess the market I'm heading to. But since it's not live, I'm going to Kaneshi Market. Kaneshi Market is in Accra, Ghana. If you've been there before, let me know in the comment section. Yes, I'm actually going to be shopping coconuts, kube. That's what the Ghanaians call it. In my local dialect, coconut is called, guess. Coconut is called ijo. So let me know what coconut is called in your local dialect in the comment section. I'm going to be preparing coconut oil, and I'm going to be taking you through the processes of preparing not just coconut oil, but virgin coconut oil. So let's go to the market and have fun, Let's go. I'm now in Kaneshi Market and I've gone to meet my best kube seller. Her smiles are so welcoming. As you can see, she's already cutting the shell of a coconut. Do not worry about what I'm doing. That knife will not cut me. I'm just used to that. And what I'm actually doing is that I'm cutting the coconut in smaller chunks so it will be easy to blend. The very first time I saw them cutting the shell of the coconut that way, I was scared, but trust me, they are used to that. And you can see the meat of that coconut? So appetizing and welcoming. I just feel like biting into it right now. I'm actually helping out because I wanted the process to be fast. If not, if you are not used to this, you can leave it for them to do it all by themselves. Remember, you can also do this at the comfort of your home. Because I was doing in large quantity, I decided to go to the market and do all this process in the market. I'm now packing the coconut into a rubber bag and then I'm done. I'm done with her, so I've given her my money. I gave her 10 cedis, 10 Ghana cedis, and I'm off to the mills. Can you see the women passing by, the beauty of an African market, the tomatoes? Oh, that's so nice. The sun was so scorchy, trust me. I just had to work very fast, and here I am with my males customers. They were welcoming and they gave me enough time and enough water to wash my kube. This you have to do because your kube needs to be very, very neat. Whether you're doing it in the market or at home, you just have to make your kube very neat. And thank God for my customers. They were so patient with me and they gave me enough water. I was actually communicating with him and I was asking him, hope there was no pepper in the blender, in the mill. And he said no, everything was neat. And I said that's fine. The reason why you have to make sure there is no pepper in the blender or in the mill is because the pepper will get to add up with the coconut, and if you should use that coconut oil for your skin, you might be hurting your skin. So make sure there is nothing hot in that grinder. Make sure it has to be very neat. Now we are rinsing, or he is rinsing the grinder. The reason why he's doing this is so that in case there is any particle in the grinder, it will come out before we start blending the coconuts. And here we go. And he's using a very, we like call that the stick. Yes, he's using a stick to push those coconuts inside. This is why you have to cut your coconut in chunks or in smaller chunks so it will be easy to blend easily. easily. And he had to blend this over and over again so he can get a very, very smooth paste. So if you are doing this at home with your home blender, make sure you do have a very good home blender so you can get a very fine paste. It's very important. So all that milk will come out of it. And as you can see, I'm checking if it's okay for me, and voila, it is. So you can see them trying to transfer the coconut milk, or let me say the blended coconut, into a rubber bag. I did not come with any container, so I had to use a rubber bag, and he's tying it now. I bought extra of the bag because I'll be making use of it at home. So in case you do not have that bag at home, you need to buy it in the market. Here we are at home with a blended coconut mix. We also have a lukewarm water, and the reason why you have to make use of a lukewarm water is because you'll be putting your hand into that and you wouldn't want to hurt yourself. And here is my rubber bag I bought from the market. Remember? Yes, I have my calabash to scoop the milk when needed. I also have my net. Okay, I'm actually making use of a filter, but you can make use of a net or a pillowcase. The net or the pillowcase makes it quite easier and faster, but unfortunately I do not have it. So let's just begin the process. Now I'm pouring that milk into the rubber. How does that look? Look at that. Is it appetizing, or what do you think? Okay, I would like to talk about some of the health benefits of coconuts. Coconuts as a whole has a whole lot of benefits, from the water found in coconuts, that's the fluid in coconuts, to the meat itself, that's what we actually blended, and also to the skin, or will I say the shell. The shell can be used for decorative purposes. You can use it to create your calabash, just like what you're seeing there. You can use the coconut shell to create that. You can also use the milk for your coconut rice. Do you ever knew that there was something called coconut rice? Yes, there is, and that will be coming on my channel very soon. Yes, and you can also use it for your milk. For your coconut oil, just as what we are about to do. Now I'm about to sieve the coconut milk out of the chaff, okay, and that's why I'm scooping the coconuts, or let me say the blended coconuts, into that sieve, and I'm trying to use my hand to squeeze out the milk from the chaff. I'm trying to separate the milk from the chaff. Look at that. This would have been quite more easier if I had a pillowcase or a bigger sieve like a cloth, but we'll put through it. Now I'm done with the first extraction. Can you see that creamy milk? I just feel like drinking it. You can actually use this for your smoothie. That milk is not just done with that chaff, so I'm going to add more of the lukewarm water to extract more of the milk from the chaff. So I have to use your hand. This is why you need a lukewarm water, not a hot water. Okay, and then I'll continue with my second extraction. Now let's talk about the benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil is what we are about to prepare, or that's what we are preparing. Coconut oil is cholesterol friendly. It lowers the bad cholesterol in our body and then increases the good one. We have good cholesterol and we also have bad cholesterol. So coconut oil increases the good cholesterol and decreases the bad one. Coconut oil is a stable oil that doesn't break down easily at high temperature like other oil, like vegetable oil. So it's quite a good oil to use for your frying, for your cooking. And did you know that you can use coconut oil for your skin? Did you also know that you can also use coconut oil for your hair, your natural hair? Yes, the natural hair gang. Here we are. You can use this for your hair, and it easily penetrates into the strands of your hair and also your scalp. So This is quite a good oil. Now we are done with the extraction. We've gotten a lot of cream. I'm actually doing the third filtering just in case any chaff went down the water whilst I was extracting. So after then, we are moving on to the next stage. And so I'm done with the third extraction or filtering. Can you see the chaff? That is why it's necessary to do that. So we are now moving to the next stage where we are going to pour the milk into a rubber bag. As you can see, I'm actually tying the ends of the bag. I just do this. You can decide not to, but I just prefer doing this should in case the bag wants to fall. That's just my perception anyway. Make sure it's firm if you should tie it. And then I'm going to gently pour the milk into the bag, making sure that I do not fill the bag to the brim. And there's a reason for that, you would know later on. Now I'm trying to make sure that I tie that bag very strong and tight. You can see the milk, and you can see that the bag is not filled up with milk. I have a whole lot of bag left. This stage is the stage where you hang your coconut milk. You have to look for a warm place. Don't hang it in a cool place. We need somewhere warm so that the process can go on smoothly without any stress. So for that, I have my rope. I improvised by tying this rope, or let me say sticking it to this place and this other place, so it's firm. Okay, so this is where I'm going to hang my coconut milk. You can always improvise. Look for something that works for you. So this is my coconut milk. This is the reason why I said you don't have to make it full, okay, because you need enough space to tie it to anywhere you want to tie it. Just think of it. So I'm going to do that right now. So after 72 hours, this is what our milk looks like now. Can you see the coconut oil? That is it. And that's what we are actually looking for. Note that yours can take 48 hours or 72 hours just like mine. It all depends on the temperature of your room. I have placed a bowl beneath the bag because the oil will be dripping down that bowl very soon. And now I have my sharp objects. You can use a pin or just like what I've used, you can use a toothpick and just gently pierce where you see the coconut oil. And as you can see, the coconut oil is dripping. And that is your virgin coconut oil. How simple is that? Or how difficult is that? You can do this at the comfort of your home. Pierce that and go relax and watch your coconut oil drip. Voila! Look at my pure virgin coconut oil. Can you see? That's colorless. Now that you have known how to prepare virgin coconut oil, you can do that at the comfort of your home. Okay, I'm sure you did enjoy the process, the market, the kitchen, like everything. It was innovative, it was creative, and it was more of fun for me. I enjoyed every moment, and the end product gives me joy the most because I did it myself. You can go research more on the uses and the health benefits of virgin coconut oil and start making it for your family, friends, loved ones. You can even do that as a business. You may never know. Thank you so much for watching Befe Show. If you've not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll be back with more of African food, environment, and lifestyle. Bye bye.